This is a climate dam emergency. This is real.
Oh my God.
But you know, it is about forest management. Please remember the words, very simple. Forest management, please remember. It's about forest management and other things, but forest management.
And I'm not going to suggest for a second that the forest management practices in the state of California over a century plus have been ideal, but that's one point, but it's not the point.
Provide more. He's going to come out here and probably tell us, I'm going to send you rakes instead of more help. We need actual help, material help, not based on our party affiliation or how we voted. It's been very clear that years of drought, as we're seeing, whether it's too much water and too much rain in parts of our country right now or too little, this is climate change.
California, folks, is America fast forward. What we're experiencing right here is coming to a community all across the United States of America unless we get our act together on climate change.